Right, I'm going to have a fight with the pallet. Just taking the balls off. So that's what I do. Luckily the nails are quite short on this. Mallet, pry bar, generally using it from various sides. Okay, I'm working my way down. Bit of a pain going back forward, but you'll end up with a complete piece. And then you just kind of pull the wrapper off, just tear it out. Short nails again. Make sure it doesn't hit your nails as well. And constantly be aware of where the nails are. Just step on them and jab you in the leg or anything. Yeah, the pry bar's got to be thin, it's got to have a wedge end and just be sloping and strong. It's cost me $3.50 from a bargain store. A mallet, a camping mallet. That's the pieces I want off the pallet. And then this will be too boring to show you a lot of. Basically getting the nails out. I just try and knock them through. If they stay straight, it comes out quite easy. Have a little tub always to put your nails in. And if they're a bit bent, you just try and shape them a bit. So it's a process of shaping and whacking. Oh, I just whacked the end off actually, that's handy. I try and get them out because they'll have rust marks on you, whatever you make with the rain. I work with a solar company to install panels and then they save the pallets. It's free wood, it's brilliant. So that's how I get the long ones. Yeah, taking that out. So I'll just continue. This is how to get the nails out. So usually when you've pulled a piece of wood off, another piece of wood on the pallet, the nails will end up sticking through, still attached. So I just basically, I try to hammer them back through. There's probably better ways to do this, maybe with a pair of pliers there, to keep it straight while you hammer. When it's been hammered through, the nails sticking out, you've got the head, just see, grab it with the claw hammer, and just pull it through. Just do another one as a demonstration. There's the head sticking through. Get the claw on it. Oh, got it. Yeah. So this is a thinner greenhouse than the last one I built. But basically, so I basically cut the face of a long pallet in half. Saw just right down the middle. And there's the other half over there. And then I'm just joining them together now with 170 centimetre bits of wood from the pallet. I've taken off the pallet. So this is a thinner second greenhouse. So this is the second pallet greenhouse I've made for my garden. It's going to sit in front of the pergola type structure I built years ago with my cousin. Put the base together with wood from an old futon bed my cousin didn't want anymore. Half a pallet. Yeah, the other side over there is half a pallet. I firmed it up a bit with some screws. There's inside corner pieces, which everything's screwed to. And I've just put the side slats, or the width slats, on there. I've stained with some oil-based teak colour paint there, so still continuing. Then the bottom, I'm building the plant a bit and go all around, put the soil in. So yeah, I neglected to film a few stages of the pallet greenhouse. Um, it's got an old mini greenhouse cushioned it as a door, and it flaps up. Just at the moment, it's just sort of tied over. I mean, I completed the bottom of the structure as a kind of, so the base is like a planter, like this planter. 4 planks high of pallet wood, stained all the wood, added some verticals inside so I can tie the tomato plants to them, or they can sort of crawl up. Add a bit of structure to the roof of the pallet greenhouse, so it's sloping, it's pitched, so the water just runs off. Quite tough plastic above, because you don't want it sagging and collecting water and just hanging down in here. That's the finished structure. Take you around the back. So it's behind this frame. So I've got a cucumber in there at the moment. Tomato plants, various tomato plants, tangella, medium sweet style tomatoes. There's some tomato plants are called Boom, because I collected a tomato at a festival in Portugal called Boom, brought the seeds back to the UK, and I've just been seed saving from the tomatoes every year and then growing my own. So that's the thinner greenhouse, and this is the squarer structure I built first. I'm very happy in here. A load of flowers coming at the moment. I see some tomatoes around. Yeah, a bit bigger than the mini greenhouse.